What's up guys, my name is King San here. Welcome back to another brand new video. And yes, I am definitely not being consistent on YouTube at the moment because I'm just too busy and way too tired to make videos. Okay, it's too boring for me right now. So anyways, last year I did the whole anime award thing, and I'll be making sure that I am doing this for the near future. And so yeah, let's keep the whole series going, shall we? So yeah, so let's start voting. Okay, 6 days left. Okay, gotcha. Okay, don't be shy, sign in for a digital gift after voting ends. Okay, I'll just give a sign in, so cut this part of the editor. So yeah, I did the whole this sign in thing, and it says, as a Crunchyroll member, you'll receive a digital surprise after the voting ends. Seriously, check your inbox. Okay, I'm guessing it's going to be a anime themed wallpaper or poster or some sort. Let's see. I have to wait 6 days to find out what it is. Okay, anyways, and yeah, today's video is going to be a horizontal one because for this one just I have a new phone, so that's why it's going to be a horizontal thing, so bear in mind. Just okay, anyways, let's start the whole process. Okay, first we won't be checking out the anime of the year straight away. We're going to be checking out from the bottom list. Okay, best fantasy. They should have at least given this bar on the top. Okay, let's see the nominees are. Okay, let's see the nominees.
Please welcome your nominees for the following category. Best Fantasy.
I didn't watch this anime, but oh god, let's go. I'm talking about this picture. Do you see this idol? It's a classic one, I guess. Oh yeah,
Start voting now at Crunchyroll.com/Anime Awards.
Okay, thank you very much. What are the nominees? Okay, these are the nominees. ReZero. I dropped Dorohedoro, okay, and the Dorohedoro is not for me, so I didn't watch this or this or this. So these are not going to be accepted on my terms. Okay, Tower of God was cool, was good and all, but still I have to pick ReZero, no doubt. Okay, let's go for ReZero. Yes, confirm ReZero second season. Next category.
Please welcome your nominees for the following category. Best Couple. At Crunchyroll.com/Anime Awards.
Okay, I guess we all know who we're picking. Where are my couples? Right here is Chizuru Mizuharu and Kazuya. Definitely this. Chizuru Mizuharu is best girl for me, so yeah, I'm definitely voting for her. Okay, next category. Do we really need to see? Okay, we don't need to see the clips every time. Okay, best girl, Tower of God, Great Pretender. I'm keen to watch this anime, so Beastars didn't saw it, and Oru Takachi didn't saw that. A Tower of God was a good one. Japan Sings, okay, Japan Sings is, but I'm gonna have to go for a Tower of God, I guess. Let's confirm it. Next category is best comedy. Best comedy. Keep Your Hands Off Izukin. Okay. Love is War. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, I only watched Love is War, and the other ones I didn't, so it's going to be a biased vote right here. I don't know much about all the comedic side of things. I don't watch all the anime. Okay, best drama. And okay, first of all we have Fruits Basket, of course, Great Pretender, Japan Sings, Sing Yesterday for Me, Beastars, and this anime is male, so male, and the Forest Spirit. Okay, I'm definitely going for Fruits Basket. The Fruits Basket adaptation, the new adaptation was very good, and I love it, so I'm gonna have to go for that. So best fight scene this year was a lot of good fight scenes, so let's check it out.
Nominees for the following category: Best Fight Scene.
Okay, I know why I have to do that.
Start voting now at Crunchyroll.com.
Okay, Tower of God, High School of the God are getting 2 nominees. What's okay? Good for them, I guess. But no doubt, this fight scene with Satoru versus Romin Sukuna. Okay, Satoru versus Sukuna battle was a dope one, but I'm gonna go for my boy Deku right here. For the last season's battle, the big battle against Overhaul was so good. There's no way I'm not voting that. Okay, now best character design. Tower of God. I like the Tower of God design. It's unique and it's cool looking, I guess. Okay, best animation. Okay, I'm gonna go for Jujutsu. I recently started watching Jujutsu, so yeah, the animations are slick. Best director, I don't know about the whole director side of thing. Okay, it's a bias. I'm gonna go for Tower of the God. Okay, next category. Best voice actor performance. Best voice actor performance English. Okay, it's the English side of things. Echidna. Okay. Oh yeah, there's the name right there. I couldn't spell it. Echidna. It's a weird spelling, but yeah. Well, okay. Best voice actor Japanese or the sub. Do for Subaru Natsuki. Okay, ReZero are getting all of my votes, so yeah, it's fine. ReZero is a good one. Best ending sequence. Okay, the ending. I genuinely think gets a vote. Not there could be a lot more. categories or nominations, but there are way too less popular ones. Okay, best opening scene. The OPs. Haikyuu is here. I'm definitely going for Haikyuu, but let's go for Haikyuu. I'm going for Haikyuu. Okay, next category. Next category we have best girl. Best girl. Here are the nominees. These are all the nominees. This is from Dorohedoro, and I'm just checking. Okay, yeah, Kaguya-sama is a good pick one, but I'm going to go for Chizuru Mizuhara, of course. She's my new best girl, so I'm gonna have to go for my biased opinion here. Okay, best boy. Best boy, we have Jaemin from Dorohedoro, Satoru from Jujutsu Kaisen, Kun from Tower of God, Legoshi from Beastars, this some character I don't know from, and Shoyo Hinata from My Hero, from Haikyuu to the top. And yes, I'm gonna have to go for Shoyo Hinata here, cause Hinata, the Haikyuu anime is fucking great. Okay, there's no point in regarding that. I am definitely going to be picking that. Okay, best antagonist. Dorohedoro is not going to be in Malay. Jujutsu Kaisen, Rachel from Tower of God, Fruits Basket, Akito, and Echidna. Okay, it's going to be a divided split. I'm more leaning to Overhaul, but I think Echidna did a great job. But hey, I'm gonna have to go for Echidna here. Okay, best protagonist. Best protagonist is my boy here or not. Natsume Decadence. I don't know what this anime is. Yoshi Itadori from Jujutsu Kaisen. Okay, I'm going to go for Hinata, of course. Okay, Hinata, confirm my vote. Okay, now we have the main event on our hand, the anime of the year. Okay, of course we're going to see the whole trailer.
Please welcome your nominees for the following category. Anime of the Year.
Okay, Jujutsu Kaisen. Many people are doing I guess there's a couple of opinions of the other
Start voting now at Crunchyroll.
Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, there isn't a lot of votes going to be for Beastars, but I'm gonna go for Jujutsu because it's the only one I saw. I'm gonna vote off from that. Thanks for voting. Your digital surprise will be sent once the voting phase ends. To stay tuned. So stay tuned. Don't forget, you can vote every day until January 22nd, and tune in February 19 at 5 p.m. PST to see who wins. For the latest updates, follow us on etc. Okay, these are all my picks. Okay, I'm done with the votes. Yeah, that's it for this year's Anime of the Anime Award, and I will be coming back to do this eventually in the future, I guess. The next year until next time, and I'm not making any promises because I might not do a video for a long time. Just taking a break, you guys. So yeah, anyways, have a great day and stay awesome. Peace out. 教えてよそのちく
目は歪んだ